yummy. And it will go in your tummy.
Oh man. I'm going to put a little bit oil. I'll put one more.
What a beautiful smell of mustard. Oh my god.
They are very thin strips. So it will, I'm going to do a shallow fry with a little bit of oil. Already marinated. Looking very beautiful color. So once it's done, we'll show you in our plates. The scrambled egg, guys. Our ribs are ready. Then we're gonna plug in the toaster and we'll heat up the toast. Guys, so our plate are ready. I'm gonna put bread in the toaster. In the meantime, it will toast it. So let me try the ribs. Can you take a look? Try this one. It's a very thin pieces of the ribs and they are already marinated. A little bit with the beef tallow. Supposed to be very good. It's mild. Good. In the camping, this is a heaven breakfast, guys. Very good. We have beef roast as well. The smoked, it's very good. And of course, scrambled egg. It's very good, guys. So we're gonna meet you in a bit with the other movement, guys. See you there. So we are ready for some adventure. There's a couple of spots. One is Cameron Lake. We went yesterday Cameron Park. So today we're going to Cameron Lake and there's a Red Canyon as well. So we'll see if we're gonna develop both of those spots. I will show you how those are beautiful spots are. So let's go. Okay guys, so we are just heading towards the Cameron Lake. Look at that, that's the town, Waterton town, man. Look at that. Can you see it? What a beautiful view, man. So usually Cameron Lake is like closed in the so I'll say before June they close it because it's a pretty mountaineer way to get there. But today it's open, so we're going there. I will show you. It's a very beautiful lake. It's a great lake, and you will be stunned, guys. So like once you get into the mountain, you will see, oh man, there's a colorful peoples and colorful lake, guys. So look at that on my right side. This is about Waterton town. Yeah, look in the front. Show this how this the way is. Oh man. So it's a circular way. You have to go up all the way to the mountain. So these are I told you before, these are those trees. 5 years back, it was wildfire here and all of the trees are burned. You see that? Guys, so black bear spotted here. It's a kid, I think so, and its mama should be here somewhere. Did you see it, guys? So they just baked in summer. So there are a lot of black bears in those mountains, guys.
He's enjoying the weather.
He's enjoying the weather.
His food as well.
Yeah, food as well. just moving along our cars. We have some people over.
So he's the showstopper?
Yeah, yeah, Blackbeard the showstopper. Ah, he's gone. Here you go. Arrived at Cameron Lake. Just watch out. I'm going to show you the facilities. Look at that. So those are the washrooms, like on the both side. Today is Monday, so that's why less people you are spotted here. So, but usually it's a very rush area. So look at that. Okay, we're gonna, I think so, park here, just in front of the lake, and the lake is on our right side. Look at that! Wow. Okay, let me get out. I will show you the full showstopper, guys. So, guys, we'll show you the Cameron Lake. So usually this facility is open, but today is closed. You can rent the canoe here, right? And paddle boating here, but today it's closed. Oh, look at that. Sorry? In July? Okay, it says they will open in July because we are early in June. As I told you, like usually this Cameron Lake is usually they close it. You can't come here, but it's early June. Oh man, what a great view, guys. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Wow. This is Cameron Lake. Is it not a heaven on earth, guys? Look at that. Like in three side mountain, and along the mountain you have this lake, guys. Wow. What a great view, guys. Wow. Let's go a little bit on this launching bridge. Somebody's boat is here. Wow. It's actually windy today. Wow. Look at that. Clear water. It's really cold, man. It's really cold. Look at that, my hand. How clean and neat this water is. See? Wow. So he's gonna jump. Look at that. That guy just jumped in. There we go, the second one. He already jumped in. This side, Cameron Lake, we have a hiking track. those are the tables. If you want to sit here and do some barbecues, you can take a look. These are the species for Cameron Lake, and if you go all the way here, this is a very good hiking, but it's a black bear country, so you have to have bear spray or something like that with you, so for your safety. And there's a bridge you can see in front of, and very, I can smell it, pine trees. Oh wow. And so this Cameron Lake is overflowing here, and yesterday I showed you the look at that. So this is the overflow of the Cameron Lake. It's coming here under this bridge and it's going to the Cameron Fall. Yeah, that's the black one. So there's a fish. I'm not sure you guys can take a look with those rocks. That guys, fishes. Wow. Look at that. They are playing to each other. They are flowing against the river. Look at that, how many fishes. Wow. Right now, and interestingly, somebody lost the key inside their car, and like I was surprised. They were like trying to hit with the rock their window. They couldn't break it. That's how their window was strong. It was Dodge, I think, or some kind of car. So it's unlucky.
So any advice for the future, guys?
So make sure, like, when you are coming here, because there is no cell phone signals, and your key app's not going to work as well. So make sure you have a second key with your partner, or always try to have key in your hand, put it on your pant, right? So it's very important in this, especially in this kind of spot where you don't have a signal. The secondly, there's a park rater guy, but they are not allowed to ride them back to the town. So that's unfortunate. So watch out all those things, guys. Look at that, guys. The view of the Waterton town, background lake. Wow. Check in front how big that lake is. And there's a Charles Hotel as well in front of that. What a view, guys, what a view. $1 million view.